Let's face it, car insurance can be confusing. You want plenty of coverage but don't want to break the bank. We're here to help, and today we've got a showdown between Farmers and Geico, two insurance giants who are eager to earn your business. Farmers Insurance and Geico each bring something unique to the table. Farmers kicks things off with rates as low as $76 per month, offering dependable coverage and exceptional customer service that has earned them a loyal following. It's a solid choice for those who prioritize reliability and comprehensive protection. Geico, on the other hand, turns heads with rates starting at just $43 per month, making it a standout option for drivers focused on affordability. But it doesn't stop there. Geico is packed with discounts, membership perks, and multi-policy savings, giving you even more ways to cut costs. So both providers have strengths that can make them the right fit for different types of drivers. But which one is better for you? That's the big question we'll tackle in this video as we compare everything from pricing to perks and policy features. But the best way to find the perfect insurance policy is to compare quotes from multiple providers. And with FreeAdvice.com, it's easier than ever. Simply enter your zip code, answer a few questions, and let our powerful quote comparison tool do the rest. In just a few clicks, you can compare quotes from top-rated insurers and find the best deals for your needs. Now stay with us to find out who takes the crown in this epic showdown between Farmers and Geico. You won't want to miss the details. First things first, let's meet the players in this auto insurance game. We'll take a closer look at each company, their history, and what sets them apart. We're talking long-standing players with very different approaches. Farmers Insurance has been around since 1928. They started by protecting, you guessed it, farmers. Now they offer a full range of insurance products across 42 states, including car, home, life, and boat coverage. Farmers is all about customization. You want max coverage? They got it. On a basic plan? They have that too. Plus, they offer lots of discounts. Even have a handy mobile app to manage your policy. Geico was founded in 1936 and has carved its place in the market by keeping things simple and affordable. With monthly rates starting at $39, it's a go-to for budget-conscious drivers. Backed by the financial strength of Berkshire Hathaway, Geico offers reliable protection and a suite of discounts. As you can see from these highlights, both companies have a strong history and great perks. So be sure to compare your options at FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code in our free quote generator to get personalized quotes. Shopping for insurance doesn't have to be a hassle. See for yourself how easy it is to compare and save. And sure, history is important, but what about reputation? Let's dive deeper and see how Farmers and Geico perform when it comes to financial stability and customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction for both Farmers and Geico is somewhat mixed. J.D. Power, a reputable industry rating agency, gives Geico a slight edge with a score of 871 out of 1,000 compared to Farmers' 846. This suggests a slightly better customer experience with Geico. As far as Farmers and Geico ratings with the Better Business Bureau, both have received an A+ for complaint resolution. This means they generally handle customer complaints efficiently and effectively. However, both companies have higher than average complaint ratios compared to other insurers. When it comes to financial stability, both Farmers and Geico are considered financially sound and reliable insurers, but Geico's A++ rating indicates a slightly higher level of financial stability and operational excellence. Ultimately, the best way to determine which insurer is right for you is to consider your specific preferences. Explore your options at FreeAdvice.com. With our quote generator, you can easily compare rates from top insurance providers based on your situation and location. It's fast, free, and it could help you find a policy that better fits your needs. But if those ratings don't quite seal the deal for you, let's take a closer look at the coverage options from Farmers and Geico. Does their protection truly have you covered when it matters most? When it comes to coverage options, Farmers offers liability, collision, comprehensive, personal injury protection, gap insurance, and underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. This flexibility allows you to tailor your policy. Geico, on the other hand, provides a more standard set of options. While they offer the essentials like liability, collision, comprehensive, personal injury protection, and uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, they lack gap insurance. Gap insurance can be crucial if you're leasing or financing a car, as it covers the difference between the car's actual cash value and what you owe on the loan or lease. Ultimately, your best choice depends on your needs. Consider factors like the type of car you drive, your budget, and your coverage requirements. If you're looking for a wider range of coverage options, Farmers might be a better fit. If you prioritize affordability and a straightforward approach, Geico could be a good option. To make the best decision, compare quotes from multiple providers at FreeAdvice.com. By using our free quote comparison tool, you can quickly and easily compare quotes from top-rated insurers near you. It's that simple to find the best and most affordable coverage. But wait, there's more. Both Farmers and Geico are jumping on the usage-based insurance trend. This can be a great way to save money if you're a responsible driver. Let's see how it can benefit you. Farmers has a program called Signal. It's a mobile app that tracks your driving behavior, including braking, turning, and phone use. Sign up for Signal and you automatically get a 5% discount. And don't miss this. Drive safely for a while and earn an additional 15% off your next policy renewal. Just remember, Signal uses your phone's data to track your driving, so make sure you're comfortable with that before signing up. Geico has a program called Drive Easy. This is the best deal if you're a low-mileage driver. Drive Easy works through the Geico app and rewards you for good driving habits, like avoiding late-night drives and keeping your phone out of sight while you drive. Safe drivers can snag a whopping 25% discount for using Drive Easy. This Farmers versus Geico usage-based insurance showdown is just the beginning. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our free tool to get quotes, compare rates, and see what providers near you have to offer. And just remember, if you're a safe driver who wants to earn serious discounts, Signal and Drive Easy are worth considering. Plus, no matter which program you choose, remember that safe driving is always the best policy. But if staying off your phone while driving or maintaining perfect driving habits isn't realistic for you, a traditional policy might be the smarter route. Let's talk about the monthly rates for minimum coverage and see which options offer the best value. When it comes to minimum coverage, Geico offers more competitive rates compared to Farmers. Geico wins for cheaper rates at just $43 monthly on average, making it one of the most budget-friendly options available. Meanwhile, Farmers charges $76 per month for the same basic coverage, putting it above the US average of $61 a month. That's a noticeable $33 difference every month. If we compare these on an annual scale, choosing Geico over Farmers could save on car insurance by $396 each year. This savings might not seem like much at first glance, but over time it really adds up, especially when paired with Geico's strong customer satisfaction ratings and straightforward coverage options. But the best way to determine the most cost-effective policy is to compare quotes from multiple insurers. To do that, just go to FreeAdvice.com, use our free quote tool, and in just a few clicks, you'll be able to compare options tailored to your needs. Keep in mind, though, that the minimum coverage is just a basic level of protection. Most of us need a bit more insurance, so let's explore full coverage options from Farmers and Geico. When it comes to full coverage car insurance, the numbers reveal a clear winner. Geico stands out with a remarkably low rate of just $114, while Farmers comes in at $198 per month. That's an $84 difference every month. Choosing Geico over Farmers could save you over $1,000 in a year. That's money you could use to pay off bills or save for a vacation while still maintaining full coverage. These savings make Geico a strong contender if affordability is at the top of your list. But price isn't everything. Remember, full coverage is a safety net providing more financial security. To make the best decision, consider not only the cost but also the quality of coverage and the insurer's reputation on customer service. Finding these kinds of savings is simple with FreeAdvice.com. Just visit our site, use our free quote generator, and in just a few minutes, you'll have personalized options to compare. Don't miss out on the chance to make a smarter insurance choice today with FreeAdvice.com. But in addition to that, you can also save even more by checking out the insurance discounts you might qualify for. Sometimes a slightly higher rate can drop significantly when discounts come into play. So, let's dig into what additional savings opportunities Farmers and Geico offer so you can reduce your rate even more. When it comes to the best car insurance discounts, Farmers and Geico both bring solid savings opportunities to the table, but they each have their own strengths. Farmers offers a variety of ways to save, including up to 15% off for early signing and a generous 30% low mileage discount. Geico stands out with 25% off for military members and emergency deployments. They also offer a 23% discount for vehicles with anti-theft systems and an impressive 40% off for passive restraint systems. Plus, if you're a safe driver or qualify for their good student discount, Geico rewards you with more savings. Remember, the best discounts for you depend on your individual situation. Do you drive a lot or a little? Are you a good student? These factors play a big part in your price tag. To find out which provider fits your needs and unlock even more savings, check out our free quote comparison tool at FreeAdvice.com today. Alright folks, that's a wrap on our Farmers vs. Geico head-to-head review. We compared basic and full coverage rates, dug into some key discounts, and hopefully gave you a clearer picture of which insurer might be a better fit for you. If you're ready to see how their rates compare to your current policy or to explore other options altogether, make a beeline to FreeAdvice.com. It's your one-stop solution to grab personalized quotes, compare rates, and find the insurance that works for you, all in just a few clicks. Start by entering your zip code and let us make your insurance shopping simple and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It lets us know you want more content like this. Speaking of more, why not subscribe to the FreeAdvice.com channel? We release new videos every week packed with expert tips and advice to help you navigate the crazy world of insurance. Plus, we want to hear from you. If you've purchased coverage from Farmers or Geico, or have an experience to share about another provider, drop a comment below. Your story could help someone else save money and avoid a stressful situation. Do you know someone who's shopping for car insurance? Share this video with your friends and family. It might be just the nudge they need to save big. Before you go, don't miss our deep dive into Geico Insurance. We've laid out everything they offer, including tips on snagging up to 40% off your premium. Is Geico the perfect fit for you? Watch the video to find out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.